Jinguang Dental Loupes arrive in a compact, professional package, thoughtfully organized for ease of use. Inside the box, you'll find a user manual with essential guidance, along with 5 interchangeable magnifying lenses ranging from 1x to 3.5x. These lenses are designed to enhance visualization during intricate dental procedures. A microfiber cloth is included to help maintain a clean, distortion-free view, ensuring precision at all times. The loupes and holder are lightweight and ergonomically designed for daily clinical use. The adjustable structure provides a secure fit while allowing flexibility during extended procedures. The headband offers comfortable support even during long working hours. Built for durability and convenience, the loupes feature a secure battery compartment. Powered by triple batteries, they deliver consistent and reliable illumination throughout dental procedures. The magnifying lenses attach easily to the loupes, and cleaning is quick and effortless with the included microfiber cloth. Dentists can customize their field of view using the adjustable length and angle settings. The LED light angle can also be adjusted to provide shadow-free illumination, improving visibility and accuracy. Additional features include a movable lens slot, a 3-point nose bracket, and a replaceable headband, ensuring comfort, stability, and versatility for different clinicians and treatment scenarios. The integrated LED light delivers bright, focused illumination, making even the most intricate tooth structures clearly visible. Magnification levels can be selected based on the procedure, with up to 3.5 times for detailed work and 1 times for general observation. Each lens delivers precise visual clarity, helping improve accuracy and treatment outcomes. The loupes sit comfortably and securely, allowing dentists to work efficiently with minimal fatigue. Jinguang Dental Loupes combine precision, comfort, and versatility, making them an essential tool for every dental practice. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more dental product insights.